In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the text-to-speech function on CapCut. This feature turns a written script into a natural-sounding voiceover, great for tutorials and short edits. You can follow along in a web browser or in the CapCut app. First, open CapCut and go to the workspace. Find the option called Create AI Voiceovers from Text or Audio. That's the text-to-speech tool. It gives you a simple editor where you can paste your script, choose a voice, and preview the result. Click Create New to start. In the text field, type exactly what you want the voice to say. For example, "Hey there, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and share. I'll see you in the next one." To make the delivery sound smooth, keep sentences short, add commas for quick pauses, and spell out numbers or acronyms as you'd like them read. If a word is hard to pronounce, add a simple cue in parentheses. Avoid emojis and extra punctuation, which can confuse the reading. Next, select a voice. CapCut includes a range of styles, languages, and accents, from friendly conversational reads to more formal narrations. Choose a voice that fits your topic and audience. If you're unsure, preview a few options and listen for pacing, clarity, and warmth. For brand consistency, stick with the same voice across videos. You can also adjust pitch and speed. Pitch controls how high or low the voice sounds. Speed controls how fast it speaks. Small tweaks work best. Slowing the speed slightly improves clarity for instructions, and lowering the pitch a touch can make the tone feel warmer. Extreme settings may sound robotic, so keep it subtle. When you're ready, click Generate. CapCut will process the audio and give you a preview. Listen all the way through and check for pacing, emphasis, and pronunciation. If something feels off, revise the text, try a different voice, or nudge pitch and speed, then generate again. That's the entire workflow for using text-to-speech in CapCut. With a clean script and a well-matched voice, you'll get a clear, consistent narration in minutes.